Everyone being held hostage in the town in central Netherlands is now free and the suspect is in custody, Dutch police said Saturday after an ordeal that lasted several hours. The last hostage has just been released. One person has been arrested. We cannot share more information at this time, announced the police on X. Police in central Netherlands reported that on March 30th, several individuals were taken hostage in a town, prompting evacuations of nearby residences and the closure of the town centre. Authorities earlier stated that at present there is no indication of a terrorist motive behind the incident in Ede. A hostage situation involving several people is underway in a building in the center of the town of Ede, police had said in a statement on X. Reports suggested around 4 or 5 people were involved. Authorities confirmed the removal of a cordon surrounding a cafe, ensuring the safety of residents from approximately 150 houses. The local municipality, through its website, announced the closure of the town centre and the presence of riot police and explosive specialists at the scene. Officials urged residents to steer clear of the town centre, with train services being redirected as a precautionary measure. We see there are many questions about the motive. At this time, there is no indication of a terrorist motive, the police had said. The Netherlands has seen a series of terror attacks and plots, but not on the scale of other European countries such as France or Britain. In 2019, the country was stunned by a shooting spree on a tram in the city of Utrecht that claimed 4 lives. A Turkish-born man identified as Gorkem Tanis later admitted a terror motive for the rampage that virtually shut down the country's 4th biggest city. In 2019, Dutch police pressed charges against 2 suspected jihadists for plotting a terrorist attack involving suicide and car bombs. Authorities revealed that the attack was planned for that year. Additionally, in 2018, a young Afghan man known as Javed S. stabbed 2 American tourists at Amsterdam Central Station. During his trial, he stated his intention was to protect the Prophet Muhammad. This incident occurred the day after the far-right Dutch politician Geert Wilders announced the cancellation of a cartoon competition depicting the Prophet Muhammad. At the time, Afghan Taliban spokesman Zabihullah Mujahid urged Muslims to attack Dutch troops after Wilders' hostile act by the Netherlands against all Muslims. In the most serious incident involving a terror attack, outspoken Dutch anti-Islam film director Theo van Gogh was shot and stabbed to death in 2004 in Amsterdam by a man with ties to a Dutch Islamist terror network.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.